What's in a name? In our business, everything. PowerSecure Service. It's everything we stand for, everything we strive for, everything we deliver. Our field engineers are the largest and most highly trained in the industry.
Our technicians are brilliant people.
They are the face of the company. Without them and their knowledge and their ability to go out and diagnose and repair a customer's asset, we wouldn't have a business without them.
Our disaster response territory and capability is the greatest in the industry.
We're in over 25 states right now and growing and expanding, so our coverage of geographical area is greater than any of our competition.
Our ability to respond 24/7, 365 provides our customers real peace of mind.
Our focus is service, not sales. We promise a safe, reliable, and compliant distributed power system to every customer we serve.
Each project is specifically designed and engineered for the end customer. We utilize generators, solar power, battery, and fuel cells in order to achieve these goals. And our systems are very, very complicated, but nobody else in the industry is doing it. So not only do we develop and engineer these projects, but we also support them after they're on the ground and in servicing and maintaining and making sure they're functioning the way that they're supposed to every single day.
I think the biggest impact PowerSecure has had on our business is giving us the comfort in knowing that we have backup generation for our facility here and for our data center.
In the service business, you live and die by the level of service you provide to your customer. Therefore, we always put our customer first, regardless of time of day.
PowerSecure Service. Driving business, saving lives.